Well, it's a very, very hot May, and this is the Papyrifus plant, and I've just come into the garden and look at this. The top part has just broken off. It looks like maybe it was, I don't know, damaged, or I can't really tell exactly where it fell from. So sad, so sad. I think, however, that once this gets going it will still be magnificent. But yeah, I just the joys of gardening, I guess. Yeah, what a shame, what a shame. And here we are again, the Tetrapanax. So you'll have seen the previous clip, and then today, another couple of weeks later, I've just removed these here that were looking very, very sad, and just actually dropped off, and it just looks like, can't really see. I don't know if anybody on here that knows these plants can give me any guidance as to what the problem is with this. Yeah, so I've taken that off. The rest of it's looking healthy at the moment, but I don't know if I've got a long-term problem with this plant. Luckily, I do have a pup from this, which I'm hoping was going to be another plant for the garden, but it may have to take over for it. But I've got it in the conservatory at the moment, and if this is a disease, I don't really want to put the other one out at the moment in case it is something that's going to pass it on. But anyway, if any of you people out there know, of my subscribers, that would be wonderful to have a bit of an update and some advice. So thank you for watching.